Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are back on the channel and we want to do some trades like everyone. And yeah, we have on the right side again our broker pocket option with the browser loaded. It's Opera. And on the left side, we have the MetaTrader 5 with the next level 2.2. It's loaded on these assets in these both time frames. When you do this, you can also make M5, yes, and M1 only for specialists, yes. Don't start with M1 if you are not, if you are starting with trading. M1 is very special to trade. You can make very fast, very good wins, but you can also in 4 minutes go in 4 losses. Yes? That's not so nice. Better try it in M2. Use the assets that are British pound, euro dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar. Yes. Don't use Swiss franken, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. As it's also sometimes a little bit not easy to handle. Yes. If you don't trade these three, and put all the others here, we'll be fine. Yes. Don't make too much trades today. Look that you have been maximum 3 to 5, and this nearly every day, or make 15 trades in a week or 10 trades in a week. Yeah, and yeah, that's good. Yeah? That's enough, and we start now so that we can have also enough trades in this session. Yes. Okay. We wait. We start with 100. This is a little bit 100. 100 is a little bit under 1%. But it's okay. So it's 1%. If we make here our 1, 2, 3 trades, yes, we can maximum lost 8% of the depot. Yes. If we put this example, yes, example, you have 20% loss. 20%. This is a mass of money. Yes, 20%. There, this is the money that someone is giving for 1 month hard working. Yes, don't do this. Always be safe and slow, and you make small steps, but you always go forward. If you try to make large steps, you will fail. 100%, I give you. Make it serious, yeah. Make it 1% at the maximum, yes, and all be good. All be good. No problem. So, okay. Alert is on. Chart switch is on. We are ready. Next signal is ours. I'm here on pause. Hot signal. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. We make looky. 88. 88 is good. Sebastian is happy. And we trade from 19 to 20. 00. Ugh. 3 seconds more or less. I don't care. We are in the trade. Wait, I will fix this. Tick. Yeah. Sometimes it must be fast. So, okay, we are in the trade. Make the other alerts out. Yes, so we can focus here. And Australian dollar, this thing may make away. When I want to look at something of my handy or a mobile phone in English, they don't know the word handy. 213.64. 213.64. If we don't win this trade, and we trade 221. Oh, we'll be close. We must look. But good. Yes, we are 1, 2, 3 seconds later. Yes, 1, 2, 3, done, finished. Yes, so we are in the money. I'm happy, and we start with the chart switch again, putting the spacebar. And I'm on pause. Okay, ladies, here we have a signal. It's in the euro, British pound. We trade from 26 to 27 in the M1 chart if it's hot. But it's hot. And we go in this trade. Alert stop. Chart switch also stop. We have 88. Very good. All is happy. 2, 1, 3, nothing. So if we don't win this trade, and our new time is 28. Oh, look. Very power making asset. Yes, it's not that nice. That I don't need. But yeah, it can make the same in this way, also in this way. Or we trade on the next one. Maybe it looks like more trade the next one. What's this? But it's not enough. It was lost. Yes, 0, 0. What? We are in the trade now. Next one, down. Yeah, this was. But it's come on here. Down. Yes, but we are prepared. We are prepared for 56.40. Yeah, we wait. I'm on pause. Come back when it's time to trade. Oh, look, this enfant terrible. This enfant terrible. Are we in the trade? No. Now we are in the trade. So, now it is going down. And, yeah. We take the win. I'm on pause. See you soon. So, we are in the money, and it's finished. Finished. Yeah, we have some seconds later. Of course, we traded the 1 minute thing. But now we won this. Yeah, easy peasy. So, going back to 100. Make the alert on. Do the main chart switch on. And wait for the next signal. I'm on pause. And coming back. This was a little bit, yes, not that easy way, but it's in the money. That's it. Yeah, with straight 1, 2, or 3, and sometimes 2. Best is 1. Yes, sometimes 2. When it's hard, it's 3. Yes, but it's never told you that it's easy. So we have a new signal. It's in the Euro Australian dollar. Yes, we have good return. We are in the trade now for 2 minutes. Yes, very good entrance. You see the candle is starting, and we have here our red line. So we are in the trade till 34. So we have a very good look. Yeah, we can see here our fortschritt on the Balken, and yeah, I hope that we will do here a winner, a easy winner, a winner by the first trade, not by trade number 3. And yeah, in next month, this video is we have just June. It's June. Yeah, it's the next month, and so I start on Monday a new contest for the German Gewinnspiel in YouTube, and the conditions I will tell you in the next video in English for all the international customers, also for the German customers in German language, but they're going to be, yeah, German language is a mass of guys in many countries that understand German, yes. Like the Austrian, like the Swiss, and all where the Germans has gone, in Italia, in France, everywhere, yes. And no problem that also I know that not all have had English in the past at school, yes. So I tell you the Gewinnspielkonditionen auch in Deutsch. Okay, that's what I sagen wollte.